Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up TradingView Mobile. First, download the TradingView app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open it and either create a new account or log in using your existing credentials. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main interface, including the watch lists, charts, and news sections. This initial setup ensures you're ready to start trading and analyzing markets on the go. Now, let's customize your charts for better analysis. Tap on a chart to bring up the Options menu. Here, you can add various indicators like moving averages or RSI and utilize drawing tools such as trend lines. Experiment with different chart types, from candlesticks to bar charts, and adjust timeframes to suit your strategy. Don't forget to save your customized layouts for easy retrieval later. Effective watch list management is crucial for staying organized. You can create multiple watch lists, categorizing them by asset class or strategy. To add a symbol, simply search for it and tap the plus icon. Setting price alerts is also straightforward. Choose your desired price level and notification type. All your watch lists and alerts will seamlessly sync across your mobile and desktop devices, keeping you updated. Beyond the basics, TradingView Mobile offers advanced features. Engage with the community by sharing your analysis or following other traders' ideas. You can also practice with paper trading to test strategies without real money, or explore various order types if your broker is integrated. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals. Mastering these tools will significantly enhance your mobile trading experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.